Hey, joining me now, Wealth Enhancement Group's Nicole Webb. Nicole, of course, you've already said you think AMC is a classic bubble. How impressed, though? You got to admit that you're somewhat impressed that it's held up. Even though it's drifted, it's the #1 percentage gainer of 2021.
Absolutely. And I'm just wondering if I can go out for coffee with your previous guest.
Thank you.
Because I am absolutely amazed. But I truly am. I mean, I've been in the industry for too long. This new wave, this new thought process, and the way that they're watching, not the fundamentals, but instead this technical swing, and their appetite for risk is really inspiring.
Well, I got to tell you something. One thing I have learned about this so-called ape community is that they're beautiful people, and I'm rooting for them. I don't use the same investing approach, but I don't think they're dumb money. I know they're not dumb money, and I really think that they're great people, and I'm really tired of Wall Street dissing the hell out of them, particularly the financial media. Yeah. You were right. You were talking about Disney last time you were on as well, and they're going to report after the bell. You thought investors should wait for a better entry point. Of course, since then, we've got the rise of the Delta variant. Would you buy, sell, or hold it going into the closing bell?
You know, I'm not a fan of Disney right now. Looking at them going from a stock that generally trades around 3 times up to 5.5, based simply on their digital platform. Yes, I do believe that Disney Plus is a great platform, the stickiness, the branding. But on the other hand, we're just seeing declining sales when it comes to the traditional Disney experience. And all of that portrays to me to say this isn't really a great entry point. And it's certainly a point in which if I got in at some of these dips, I'd probably be looking to take some of that away from my Disney position.
The next big driver for this market, we've gotten the big economic data, the jobs report. We've got the wait for the Fed meeting. A lot of people may be waiting for this Jackson Hole thing. What's going to be the next big catalyst that moves this market 5% up or down?
Yeah, it might be a little bit contrarian, Charles, but I actually think that the Delta variant could give us the pullback necessary to push this market even higher. If we see some of that initial sell-off, you and I both know there is so much corporate cash, there's individual cash, it's all on the sidelines, it's waiting, and so we might see that flood of buying happening if we do see that volatility or a push on the negative. It might also give the Fed a reason to keep accommodations going. It might give us a prolonged low interest rate environment. All of that is good for the tech stock narrative that the retail investor is comfortable with. And with the cap weighting of the S&P, again, it all could lead to another pop in the market, and not necessarily all bad things, speaking only of the market, not human life.
No, I understand. Listen, you're not trying to, we know exactly where you're coming from. And to your point, I think I agree 100%. Jay Powell keeps mentioning the COVID virus, and that's going to be one of the reasons they hold the course. Hey, Nicole, you were fantastic. Thank you very much, my friend.